That's the one thing about the dryer lint, I guess.
Gotta love dryer lint.
Hey, it works. It's something you don't have to buy.
Yeah.
You know, like the cotton balls. The cotton balls are nice and neat and pretty, but, you know, not having to buy it says a lot.
So how many times do you have to saturate them?
Just once. Well, you don't really saturate it. You just dip it and, you know, just, you know, cover it. If I don't use all this, I don't know if it's so nasty in there because of the dryer lint. I don't know if I want to put it back in there in the container if we got any left over. I might though anyway because that's
Feed
all.
it to Chloe, she'll eat it.
Weren't supposed to tell. I like the stove. The stove works really well. I'm gonna, you know, I got that for like $50-something online. Can't remember where. Oh yeah, I do. I remember where. I got that at online at Gander Mountain. It was on sale for $50-something. I think I got a pretty good deal. Well, so far anyway. It's the first time I've ever used it or used one like it.
And this is the stove we were taking to us. We were taking with us to the gathering.
Yep.
All
That's
right.
the plan anyway. Okay. Looks like I got one more. Might as well just use the rest of it up. Just so we don't have to.
You sure, Mom?
Yeah, because this is all I'm going to use it for anyway. Is just this. And I really don't want to put that mess back in there. I mean, all I'm going to do is just make more of these. So.
Whole bag of cotton balls going to use here.
No, I didn't use the whole bag.
You're about to.
No, I don't think so. This stuff soaks up the wax pretty good. One of these jars of wax, I think this one cost me like $20-something. But I got a bunch of fire starters out of it. You know, I guess nothing's really free. But these are really superior to Vaseline and cotton balls. And I'm going to show you why in just a bit. So, get some more of these out here. And just remember, when you use these, and you use a cooking utensil or any kind of, you know, stuff that you would normally eat with, if you use the gel wax in it, don't use it to eat with again.
I've used that for candle wax, candles.
Yeah, I have too. Okay, you can never get all the stuff out of it, so. Alright, let's just let this dry. I'm just going to sit this over here. It looks like I got lucky and I didn't get any on the stove.
I'm going to make some burgers on this.
Alright, let's put some, while we're just letting this dry and set for a bit. Oh, there's one I didn't miss. I missed. Oh well. Put that in there. Let's,
You sure you missed it? Because all the others look like that too.
No, I missed it. Let's get some Vaseline and put it on a cotton ball. You can see me do it. Now this is just so much messier. It's messier because if you carry it in a container, you get it all over your container. When you have to get it out, you get it all over yourself. So I'm just going to stick that right here. Okay. Now you've seen that there are different types. There are two different types of tinder here. Or three actually, considering the Vaseline and the cotton ball. But these two different types, the dryer lint and the gel wax balls. We're just going to see how all three of them work with a fire steel. So, if you've got the camera on, we'll pick out one that I think is relatively cooled off. And one thing about this is that this will cool off even more, but it's not messy like the Vaseline and the cotton balls. And I know that most of you have had experience with that. Okay, YouTube. Here is what we've all been waiting for. This is the comparison of burn times between the Vaseline and cotton ball, the gel wax and dryer lint, and the gel wax and cotton ball. So let me set this up here and I'll show you how to do that. Okay, what you do with the Vaseline, of course everybody knows how to do that. You just open it up like this. And same thing is true with your gel wax and your dryer lint and your gel wax and cotton ball. Okay, just open it up just enough so it'll take a spark. Set that there. Okay. Well, let's see what happens. Okay, now we have them burning. I'm obviously not a pro at the use of a fire steel, but we got them burning, and let's check out the burn times. Looks like the Vaseline cotton ball is almost out. The dryer lint with gel wax had more mass than the cotton ball with gel wax, but they both obviously are producing a much larger and longer lasting flame and a much hotter flame. It's still going. It's been about a minute. It's been about 2 minutes. And the Vaseline and cotton ball is out. Just laying there smoldering a little bit, but it's basically out. And the gel wax is still going strong. It's been about 3 minutes. Four minutes. 5 minutes. 6 minutes. And it looks like right under 7 minutes the cotton ball with gel wax has gone out on that one. I imagine if you put more gel wax on those, it'll burn even a little bit longer. I just dipped them briefly in there. It's like a little over 8 minutes now for the dryer lint and gel wax, which of course had larger mass to it to begin with. Okay, looks like that's it. Oops, you fell in the lake. Your stuff is all wet. Real wet. What are you gonna do? Your Tinder is wet. Let's see. What are we gonna do? Are we going to be able to start a fire? Looks like we are today.